Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to appear offline on Steam. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and download the Steam application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Steam, if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So in the top left corner, as you can see, we have the store, we have the library, community, and your profile. Also in the middle of the screen, we have your store, new and noteworthy categories, and the search bar. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and appear offline on Steam. So it is pretty simple and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in no time. So basically, launch the Steam client on your computer, as I already told you. Then click on your username in the top right corner to open friends and chat window, so click it here. Click on the arrow next to your name and select offline or invisible from the drop-down menu. Selecting invisible lets you stay connected to Steam while appearing offline to friends, so you can still access your games and content. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining. If you did, guys, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be, of course, pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.